friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I would be making the spinach soup. Yes guys, this is really delicious, very tasty. The main ingredient would be spinach. I would be also adding other vegetables so that you get all the nutrients from the other vegetables too. So you check down the ingredients and the recipe. There is also a twist into it. So you check it out, try it at home and comment how it turned out for you. If you like the recipe, click on the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such delicious recipes or delicacies on the plate. To make spinach soup, I am taking a cooker because all the vegetables will be pressure cooked into it. So start the flame and add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil to it. Once the oil gets heated up, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic and let it turn golden brown in color so that this will give a unique flavor to the soup. Now add the vegetables, so lower the flame. Herein goes 3 medium-sized tomatoes diced, half bowl of bottle gourd diced, half bowl of carrots diced. Then add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. You can chop it and add it too. Then add 1 tablespoon of black rock salt and then salt to taste. You can adjust the salt later on. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Herein goes the main ingredient, that is 1.5 bowls of spinach. Add it to the cooker. Then add a glass of water. Now cover the lid and pressure cook up to 3 whistles. Now keep the flame on a higher heat. So after the cooker cools down, just open the lid and now let it cool down completely. Once after this cools down well, I am going to grind it in the grinder and then strain it. Now here you can see in place of croutons I am using soya chunks, so which I have soaked in the water. So I'll just take it from the water and I'm going to squeeze it. Squeeze all the excess water and then I'm going to roast it in oil till it turns golden in color, and then that I will add to the soup while serving. So this soup is 100% very healthy from the ingredients of the soup till the croutons, the kind of croutons I am using, or you can say the substitute for the croutons. So now start to heat up a pan. To this add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Now to the heated oil add the soya chunk and roast it, fry it till it turns light golden brown in color. Now you can see the color of the soya chunks have changed. So this is the perfect color for the soya chunks. Switch off the flame and just take out all the soya chunks in a bowl. Drain out all the excess oil. Now you can see the soup is ready. I'll boil it. I'll keep it to boil. So start the flame and add water as per the desired consistency for the soup. Mix it and I'll boil it for 5 minutes. Now the soup is done. It has boiled well. So I'll now take it off the flame and then I'll give a tadka of cumin seeds. So now start to heat up clarified butter in a spatula or any small pan which you use to give tadka. And once it is well heated, just switch off the flame and add half teaspoon of cumin seeds to it. And once this is done, add it to the soup. Let the cumin seeds turn a bit blackish and now add it to the soup. Now mix this well and now the soup is done. Serve it with croutons which I had made with soya chunks, and it will taste delicious. I hope you must have liked this recipe. See you in the next episode with one more delicious recipe and delicacies on the plate.